Hey everybody, it's Ryan here from Android Coliseum, and it's Pixel Day in the house, which means we got the brand new Pixel 8, the Pixel 8 case, and we got the Pixel Watch 2 to try out. So I got the Pixel 7a here to sort of give you a comparison. I've got the Pro as doing the video, and I didn't want to compare those two because just size difference, these are more comparable for that. So here we go, the Pixel 8, well, let's unbox it. They let you just peel. And they made a big deal on the event to let you know that even the packaging, there's no plastic in the packaging. Everything is environmentally friendly. So that's just a little bit of extra blocking in there to help out. It looks like there's something in there, but nope. And look at that. That's a nice gray look to it. USB-C. All right, what else we got in the box here? We've got our USB-C to C cable, and we got an A to C adapter. So we got that to plug in. So we do a transfer or something from another phone. What else we got in here? This is probably got a SIM puller in there and a little quick manual. Outside of that, I never touch these. I always like to keep those in the box for down the road. You never know when you need those cables as an emergency. So yeah, volume, power. Everything's good to go. Put that over there. So let's compare 8 to the 7A. The 7A is just a slightly bit bigger. They both feel like glass backs. They both feel pretty good in terms of like the rails feel strong. The depth feels about right. It definitely has a more roundy feel than the 7 does. There's definitely more roundiness to it. So, okay. I am used to the 7 Pro, a little bit larger, so a little smaller in the hand. Let's take a look at the case that it comes with. Now, I really like the case for the 7A, so hopefully that's what they're kind of sticking with, because the one that came with the 6 series was really, wasn't a big fan of it. Okay, so, plop it out. Oh, look at that. Nice little curve out on that case versus kind of a, well, I can't see another one, but it's a step versus like a curve. Ooh, nice little sort of leather-ready feel inside there, so it's nice and cushioned. And it fits in just well. Now let's power this baby on. We got juice, All right, and we'll play around with it, and I will set it all up. And I will have a review for you or some initial impressions in the next little while. If you have any questions about what you want to hear about this phone, please let me know. It's definitely all about a bubbly feeling, roundy edges, curvy edges there, yet still a flat display like the 7 was. The 7 Pro had the beveled edges there. But let me know what you think so far, if you've got one, or any questions you'd want to ask specifically about it. All right? Thanks so much, everybody. Talk soon.